Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Midiamart Classic TV. Now, if it is your first time to come to my channel, I request you take few seconds to subscribe to my channel so that next time when I post a video like this, you'll be able to be notified. Now, today I'm going to talk about the issue of computers, especially once you are done with the computer packages. What next? What follows after you are done with the computer packages? So in this video, I want you to listen to this particular video up to the end so that you can be able to understand the issue of computer levels. Now, having done with computer packages, it means that you are a computer user, meaning you can now use computer in office, you can use in your day-to-day life interaction. You can just use computers, and you can just use computer anywhere where they want you to apply the computer skills. However, in an event when the computer has a problem, like a technical problem, you cannot be able to repair it. Why? Because your level of study stopped at being a computer user, which means once you are done with the computer packages, it means you can only use a computer. So if you want to advance, that is when other packages come in. For example, if you want to become a graphic designer, it means that you are supposed to study graphics and design packages. And what are these graphic and design packages? These graphic and design packages are CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Illustrator, PageMaker. So once you learn those packages, it means that you can be able to design certain things like posters, certificate, you can edit photos, and you can do a lot of things in as far as design is concerned, which means now you have upgraded yourself from being a computer user to a computer designer. So once you are done with designing and you want to upgrade to the next level, like you want to become a computer programmer, which means you are supposed to go direct to packages of computer programming. There are people who are teaching computer programming packages. So once you learn about those computer programming packages, it means that you can now become a computer programmer, meaning in an event where the computer has a problem in as far as software issues, you can be able to program it, and you can be able to interact well with the computer, and you can illustrate even your knowledge to other people. Now, it does not stop there. You know, the issue of computers is just wide. If you want to learn computer fully in all sections, then you're supposed to go up to a degree or a diploma level, which take like 2 years or 3 years, or sometimes can go up to 4 years, so that you can be able to learn a lot of things in as far as computer is concerned. But when you are learning bit by bit, like these are the courses that I'm explaining to you, then you are supposed to go stage by stage. Now, if you want to repair computers, it means that you are supposed to go for these packages, which is called computer repair and maintenance. So you can study those programs, and then you can repair the computer. And if you want to take this further, to be an accountant using a computer, then you are supposed to study what we call accounting packages. There are some accounting packages people can study. They take like few months, then you are done. So you are supposed to understand those accounting packages so that you can become an accountant, and you can be employed as a cashier in any organization or any office whatsoever. So if you want to study something to do with the computer networking, like putting internet in computers, coming up with wirings in different offices, like operating in telecommunication network, then you are supposed to study this computer networking. It is very important because you can be able to configure computers, you can do a lot of things in as far as networking is concerned. So if you want to learn about how you can network computers, so this is the package for you. So there are some institutions teaching these packages. It can take like few months and then you are done. So after you have finished all the basics about this and also the practical part of it, then you can be able to do a lot of things in as far as networking is concerned. So that is how people learn computers. So you can find yourself learning this computer bit by bit. By the time you realize you have covered a wider range of skills in all the sections that I have mentioned. So guys, thank you so much for listening to this particular video. If you found it educative, I request you to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.